So it's a farewell day today. My heart is soaked with mixed feelings that I am partly happy and partly sad. Happy because I am an engineer, set out with my wings, free to serve the nation through the knowledge which I have gained in the science of BIT. Sad because I am going to bid goodbye to this serene atmosphere and people over here who have been a part of my life for the past 4 years. The crown of BIT is the quality infrastructure we are provided with. We have separate academic blocks for every department with individual quadrangles, seminar halls, well-equipped laboratories with modern amenities, department libraries and computer center. Internet caves with high-speed internet access and Wi-Fi facility for men's and women's hostel enables the students to widen their knowledge and update with latest trends and technology. I can't keep myself without mentioning the library which is being constantly updated with latest edition of books, magazines, e-journals, poster materials, NPTEL materials, and the digital library is an added advantage too. Thanks to the management for coming up with a new library building at an estimate of around ₹20 crores, which is under construction. My juniors will have an expanded knowledge resource. The autonomy scheme led the students to learn a wide range of syllabi through seminars, innovation and practice sessions, etc. We do have opportunity to choose other department subjects as an elective, and a wide range of funding opportunities are also available, like AICT funded project, etc. Weekly site visits to the ongoing construction projects inside the campus help us to gain more practical knowledge and the practical difficulties that are faced by real-time civil engineers. Various value-added programs such as valuation of land and buildings and StatWork were conducted by the experts from the relevant fields. We have been also subjected to more of a real-time exposure through the programs such as Leader of the Week by many industrial experts. Many national and international conferences were conducted about the wastewater management and reclamation and structural optimization. We are also taken to a server camp for a week's time as a part of a curriculum. And many companies have come forward offering internship program to our juniors, which will help them to get placed in the companies next year. Last but not the least, we the civil engineering students successfully organized the Engineers Day function. Thanks BIT. Thanks for all the good we have been showered with. Finally, I hereby conclude my speech fervently thanking the management, principal, dean, head of the departments, staff members and all my fellow students for having been a part of my BIT life. Thank you.
Who is one of the most active students. She secured an A grade in the Business English Certificate examination conducted by the Cambridge University. She is placed in Pyoda Technologies.
Goodbyes are always painful, but friends, don't be dismayed at goodbyes. A farewell is necessary before we meet again. A very good morning to the dignitaries on the dais, the heads of various departments, professors, non-teaching staffs, and my dear student friends. 4 years ago, I began my journey at this institution. I was mesmerized by the infrastructure and hostel facilities. When I entered the department, there were only a faculty of 5 professors. Together, we laid the stepping stones for the fortification of the department. We displayed 21 projects done by just 66 students in the first Futura event. And we have also formed the Students Association SAENI, of which I have been the office bearer for 2 years. We conducted 16 guest lectures and 25 Leader of the Week programs, which had brought in many eminent personalities from the industry. The department also conducted 2 national conferences on industrial technology and 4 workshops on various domains such as PLC, LabVIEW, DCS, SCADA, and embedded systems. A proposal has also been made to develop a Center of Excellence, LabVIEW, to enhance the practical proficiency. The highlight of my department is a process control laboratory which resembles a mini industry. It has the finest of process stations that are controlled using sophisticated software modules that has increased the core competency of the students. 12 of our department students have been involved in energy audit for the whole college that focuses on reducing energy consumption. The students were also encouraged to present papers and projects in various other institutions. I am proud to say that 8 students have presented papers in international conferences and many have won prizes in IITs and published papers in journals in IEEE Explored. And heartfelt gratitude to the chairman for granting us the DCS worth rupees 75 lakhs. I would also like to thank the management for supporting us in all our endeavors. And there has been incredible focus on placement. We've had several trainings from FACE, Talk Shop, and various grooming sessions and technical sessions, which has been of great benefit. And even though we being the late bloomers, we are proud achievers of 100% placement, and I'm happy to be the first placed in my department. The department has also taken efforts to bring in many core companies, which has just added to the benefit. And to add a feather to the cap, 8 of our students have also been dual placed. And to end with, I'll never forget the reminiscences of the hostel, the mess food, the moonlight dinners, the dance and the movies in front of the mess, and the watching the cricket matches together, the share and care of my friends will all be etched in my memory forever. Friends, this generation is ours, and it's time to use what we've learned from this great institution. It's time to bid adios to all the stakeholders who are responsible for the wonderful memories in our life. I thank you all for granting me the chance to speak a few words on this gracious occasion. Thank you, and I'll promise to always keep in touch.
Krishnan, a final year in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, who has won cash prize worth rupees 75,000 in the regional leg of Tata Crucible Coimbatore, the biggest in-campus business quiz in India. He got placed in Cognizant Technology Solutions.
Good morning to one and all present here. On this day of our farewell, I'm here representing the Department of Computer Science Engineering to say a few words about how our batch made it through an unforgettable 4 years. Firstly, to speak about our development under this department, it undoubtedly requires a few words about the faculty and the management, which encompass the environment here. Since the inception of the college, the Department of CSE has maintained a good track record with regard to on-campus and off-campus recruitments. With this current academic year, drawing in the highest number of offer letters from distinguished companies such as Cognizant, HCL, iNautics, and even Robert Bosch. A small fraction of students are still undergoing rigorous training under the care of able staff to complete the 100% placement mark. In technical aspects, the Association of CSE has successfully organized a total of 6 sponsored conferences along with workshops that have covered most of the latest IT trends since the past 4 years, such as grid computing, open source programming, and the latest one being cloud computing, all in an effort to make sure that the students truly stay ahead. In co-curricular activities, there has been a commendable number of papers presented, projects completed, and technical competitions both within and outside the institution, with a remarkably good number of winning entries in each category. Extracurricular activities have always been an essential part of the department's claim to fame, and it has produced many students who have firmly made their mark in varied disciplines, all the way from sports and yoga to filmmaking and quizzing. This trend will hopefully continue for the forthcoming batches, and I hope our juniors are infused with the right spirit from the teachers and bring in many more laurels for the institution in the years to come. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Electrical and Electronics Engineering to the dais. She won appreciation for presenting papers in other colleges, got dual placement in Robert Bosch and Cognizant Technology Solutions.
A very pleasant and memorable morning to one and all present here. First of all, on behalf of all of us, I owe our successful completion of the 4 years to our beloved chairman, director, chief executive, to the principal, dean, HOD, and my staff members. In our department and our management have made a big contribution to make us a successful competitor, a good competitor in this competent world in the rising trends and technologies, and also to be successful citizen in our society. Here are some of the testimonials in our department. In our department, we have a modular object-oriented dynamic learning environment software called Moodle, which we use to conduct the online examination for our students. This includes all the subjects that they learn from the first semester onwards. And this is surely going to be a good thing to make them to perform fairly well in their many competitive examinations and also to get placed in the fields which interest them. We have very active and energetic IEEE student branch, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers branch, where we conduct the Student Professional Awareness Conference SPAC, the Student Professional Awareness Venture SPAVE, and Student Technical Awareness Conference STAC every year. And in each event, it is great to say that around 500 students from colleges in and around Tamil Nadu are taking part in this thing. And it is prestigious to say that our IEEE student branch has won the IEEE Student Enterprise Award for the year 2010. And it is the prestigious award that it is our college, our BIT is one among the 5 winners all over the world. And in my department, my juniors, the second years and pre-final years are together doing energy auditing for our college. And this shows how healthy the relation is between the seniors and juniors. Being a member of Personality Development Club, I am thankful to my staff in charge, my student friends and my seniors who helped me a lot to improve on my personal and professional skills. I believe my other friends too are happy to be a member of other such clubs, and I am sure that they have moved a step ahead being through these clubs. We wish to be a BITN and alumni soon, and as alumni, we wish to have maintain a good industry interactions for our juniors, and I'm sure that having such interaction will make the students competent enough to meet the industry needs, and also to maintain a cordial relation with the industry where we are going to work for. So I request our chairman and director to give us support to make this venture a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you. We now request our revered chairman, Dr. S.V. Balasubramaniam, to deliver the presidential address.
Good morning to every one of you here. சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களா? Thank you. Chief guest of this morning function, Mr. Ashok Vardhan Sethi IAS, Secretary Government of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Ansul Misra, Commissioner, Corporation of Coimbatore, Mr. Vijay Kumar IAS, former Director Service Abhiyan, now Executive Trustee, Banari Rural Foundation, our Governing Council member, Mr. Gundan, Dr. Ram, Dr. Nararajan, our Principal in charge, Mr. Tangaraju, dedicated members of our faculty, பெருமைக்குரிய பெற்றோர்கள், வருகை இருக்கின்ற பத்திரிகை துறை நண்பர்கள், எல்லாருக்கும் மேல மை டியர் beloved students. Today we all assembled here to greet and bid farewell to our 2011 batch students. One way it is sad that you are all going away. Otherwise, I am happier that you have been selected